Hey, everyone, welcome to our latest tech review where we're diving into the Apple Watch Series 9. Let's get right into it and unpack what this smartwatch has to offer. Starting with the design, the Series 9 maintains the sleek, modern-look Apple Watches are known for. Available in two sizes, 41mm and 45mm, and in either aluminum or stainless steel, it offers a good balance between durability and style. The always-on Retina OLED LTPO display is a standout feature, boasting a brightness of up to 2000 nits. This makes it incredibly easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Series 9 is powered by the S9 chip with a dual-core 64-bit processor and a 4-core neural engine. This translates to a smooth and responsive user experience, whether you're toggling between apps or tracking your fitness activities. Speaking of fitness, the watch includes a range of health sensors like blood oxygen and heart rate monitors, and a new temperature sensor, making it a solid choice for health enthusiasts. The watchOS 10 brings in some handy features like gesture detection, which allows for more intuitive interactions without always having to touch the screen. This is particularly useful for reading messages or taking calls on the go. Battery life is similar to the Series 8, lasting about a day and a half to 2 days, depending on usage. While this is decent, some users might find the need to charge it more often a bit inconvenient, especially compared to some other smartwatches on the market. Safety features are a significant plus. The Series 9 can automatically contact emergency services if it detects a car crash or a hard fall, which is a potentially life-saving feature. In terms of disadvantages, the Series 9 doesn't represent a huge leap from its predecessor, the Series 8. If you already own a recent Apple Watch, you might not find enough new features to justify the upgrade. Moreover, the daily charging might be a deal-breaker for some. To sum up, the Apple Watch Series 9 is a robust and stylish smartwatch with advanced health and safety features. It's ideal for Apple enthusiasts and those who prioritize health tracking and safety in a wearable. However, the price and the battery life might make you think twice if you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a watch that can last longer between charges. For more detailed information and to see this smartwatch in action, check out the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. See you next time.